Sambisari Temple, Yogyakarta. Sambisari Temple is a miniature of Prambanan Temple. Originally, this temple complex was located on a higher ground level than the surrounding plains. It was built up under the power of Sanjaya dynasty of Mataram Empire in the 9th century AD. In the 10th century, there was very strong volcanic eruption. Lava flew down to the south part, covered the entirely southern area. All buildings, not only temples, were swept away by flowing cold lava containing huge stones and millions cubic meters of sand. The temple was discovered in 1966 by a local villager under the ground surface when he was working in his farmland. After excavation work, the ground yard of the temple complex is now 6 meters lower than the surface of the surrounding ground. Very possible thousands of the temple stones are now still under the ground surface, on which home village in the following days is built. This temple was last restored in 1987, but was not completely finished because many of the stones are still not found. Originally, the temple was on the ground yard higher than the surrounding ground. Sambisari Temple is located in a village 2 kilometers away to the north from the main road between Yogyakarta and Prambanan Temple. The temple complex is surrounded by stone wall 50 meters by 50 meters. In this complex, there is one main temple with 3 smaller temples. The main building is surrounded by a balustrade of 1.5 meters high. The entrance stairs is on the west side. The building from the ground to the top is 7 meters tall. The temple stands on a floor of 15 square meters of 2 meters high. On the outer part of the building's wall, there is a niche on each side. The west side has the entrance to the temple, and on the left and right sides there are niches containing statues, possibly statues of God Surya and God Chandra. Surya is god of the sun. Chandra is goddess of the moon. In our life, we need light of the sun on the daytime and need light at nighttime. The niche on the north side is occupied by a statue of goddess Durga. The east side is occupied by a statue of Ganesha, and the south side is occupied by a statue of Agastya, Shiva, as the highest teacher. In the main temple, there is a phallus standing on a large yoni. Video and story composed by Kilik Borobudur, +6281 2277 2433.